How to create a DeepSeek AI account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a DeepSeek AI account step by step. DeepSeek AI is a powerful tool for AI-driven insights, and setting up your account is super simple. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the DeepSeek AI official website. The URL is www.deepseek.ai. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage with a Sign Up or Create Account button. Now, you'll be asked to enter your personal details. Fill in your name, email address, and choose a strong password. Make sure your password has a mix of uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Pro tip: use a password manager to keep track of your passwords securely. Next, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. If you have time, I recommend reading through them. Once you hit Create Account, DeepSeek AI will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox, find the email, and click the verification link. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. After verifying your email, return to the DeepSeek AI website and log in with your email and password. And there you have it. Your DeepSeek AI account is ready to use. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tech guides. See you in the next video.